Unfortunately, it looks like the tuning is not gonna happen. Made it only maybe a mile or two on the highway, and she is not happy right now. So it's stuttering and breaking up really bad. She's just not happy. So I'm gonna cancel the tune and try and figure out what happened, you know, after I get back. I'm not too happy at all, but that's how it goes. I waited till, you know, the last minute to do all this and something's happened. So driving normal speeds, driving around the town, yeah, even right now it's something happened. Yep, she's breaking up. She's about to die. Yep, something happened. No check engine light. I do have uprev with me right now. The uprev software, my cable. I might try and pull codes later. She's not happy, guys. And we're back. So I just got back from Chicago yesterday. Finally got time after work today to try and record a little, but found out what was wrong with the car. So the car is not broken. It's not a total piece of shit. Basically what happened was, I guess when I took my intake off and then put it back on, like you guys saw in the previous video, somehow this clamp right here got loose, and when I opened up my hood, the whole filter was just to the side. So it was just sucking in a ton of air, and that's what was freaking the car out and making it run terribly. I put the intake back on, drove it around, and it was perfectly fine. So I'm a little butthurt that I couldn't take it to Chicago, but it happened right when we were leaving, and it was kind of a time crunch to drive to Chicago within, you know, a good time, get there at a decent time. So we were just kind of bang, like, park the car, I gotta go. Like it was just kind of, if I would have left, there's a big spider web, had this issue an hour or two before all that happened, I definitely would have got it fixed and we would have drove it down. But it happens, it's whatever. So that's all fixed, we're good. Next thing is I got some new carbon fiber parts. So you guys already know about this carbon fiber trim I have right here on top of the steering column and on top of the clock cover. I also have the carbon fiber trim going along here. Still have to put the one piece over here. I'll get to that someday. But I have the one going across here, real carbon fiber, and I have the trunk right here. You guys might not be able to see that. Kind of dark in here, but so I have these two, but I just got these in. This is it's forged carbon kind of fading into red carbon, and I got the matching clock cover here. Kind of cool, kind of different. I saw that he was offering it, the guy that I get these the other parts from, Masterpiece Automotive on Facebook and Instagram. I saw he was advertising this kind of style, and I said, yeah, well, you know, why not? I'm curious. I do really like it. I don't know if I'll run it, but I do like it. Kind of cool, kind of different. Yeah, I don't know. Figured I'd buy it also, and if I ever just want to swap between the two, I can. Also, another thing I finally fixed was this. I can finally open my trunk again. Originally, when I was going to install my carbon fiber trunk, I had all this disconnected, but I had to really quickly run and do some errand. So I just kind of put it all back together, didn't hook anything up, and closed it. Well, I couldn't open up my trunk after that because, you know, the mechanisms up here, nothing was going to it. So I had to crawl through the back seat, popped it down, crawled through, connected to it, and now we're all back together. I already tried to take these bolts out for my trunk, but they are aluminum and they stripped right away. So I'm gonna have to drill those out, and that trunk install will be the next video. Other than that, we have a lot of parts to install. I'm finally getting stuff cleaned out, getting trash thrown out. I'll get the interior put back together. I have more carbon fiber for all that as well. And we're gonna start finally making this thing an actual car again. But that was a little quick update of car itself is running great again. It's running good. And I will see you guys in the trunk install next.
Didn't even get to bronze.